Okay, so AQ minus 27 upon AQ. You have to check whether it is a difference of 2 cube. One cube is AQ. Other is 27 upon AQ, which I can write 3Q upon AQ. I can write 3 by a whole cube. Then use the formula XQ minus 5Q, get answer. Then 7 AQ plus 7 AQ plus 0.064. 0.064. So this I can write. This I will write. This I will write if you want. This you can write 64 upon, yes. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1000. One and the same. Whatever you take, 1000. So this I can write AQ plus 4 upon 10. 4 upon 10 whole cube, correct? This I can write AQ plus 0.4 whole cube. You can directly write. My dear, you can directly write this step. I had to explain to each and every student, that is why I am writing the steps, nothing else. So this will be AQ plus BQ. A plus B, A plus 0.4 into A square minus A into 0.4, A into 0.4 plus 0.4 square. So that is A plus 0.4 into A square minus 0.4A plus 0.16. And this is the answer. 0.16. So whether it is difference of 2 cube or sum of 2 cube, that yes. As fast. That we have already done. Expansion we have already done that. In rational number and expansion we have already done those type of problems. First you will find x square plus 1 upon x square. Then you will again square it. You will get x to the power 4. Okay. To find x to the power 4, first you have to find x square plus 1 upon x square. Then again you square x square plus 1 upon x square, you will get x to the power 4. You will get x to the power 4. Now next one, 9th one, 8th one, a raised to 4 minus 343a. A raised to 4 minus 343a. A common, then AQ minus 343. So this I can write AQ minus 7Q, 7 whole cube. Okay. So this will be A into, use the formula AQ minus BQ. A minus 7 into A square plus 7A plus 7 square. That is A into A minus 7 into A square plus 7A plus 49. So what is important in the formula? Whenever you are writing minus, if it is minus, it is minus. Inside it will be plus. Okay? That way you remember the formula. 9th one. X minus y whole cube minus 8. X minus y whole cube minus 8x cube. This you can write x minus y whole cube minus 2x whole cube. Okay? So further part homework. 8x cube you can write 2x whole cube. 8x cube you can write 2x whole cube. Then use the formula AQ minus BQ. A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. You will get the required answer. Then 10th one, 8AQ upon 27. 8AQ upon 27. 8AQ upon 27 8 a cube upon 27 minus b cube upon 8. Minus b cube upon 8. So this you can write 8 a cube, you can write 2a whole. Let me write one more step. 2a whole cube, then this is 3 cube, then b cube upon 8 cube, 8 I can write 2 cube. So this I can write 2a upon 3 whole cube. 2a upon 3 whole cube. Directly, b upon 2 whole cube. Then further part will be homework. Okay. Further part, you can directly write 2a upon 3. Sorry. Yes. It is cube. A cube minus b cube, x cube minus y cube. Then a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. A raised to 6 minus b raised to 6. Whenever you will get more than 3 power, then always think about this. A raised to m raised to n. I can write a raised to mn. So a raised to 6 I can write a raised to 3, a raised to 2 raised to 3 minus b raised to 2 raised to 3. Okay. So you can consider a square as x. You can consider a square as x, b square as y. You will consider a square as x, b square as y, and simplify. Okay. So this, let x is equal to a square and y is equal to b square. So you will get x cube minus y cube. That will be x minus y into bracket x square plus xy plus y square. Now put the value of x and y. That will be a square minus b square into a square square plus a square b square plus b square square. Okay. So again, see, a square minus b square, this is difference of 2 square. So we can factorize a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. And this will be a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4. And this is the answer. Okay. Then a raised to 6 minus 7a cube minus a. A raised to 6. A raised to 6 minus 7a cube. Yes, directly you can do. A raised to 6 minus 7a cube minus 8. How you will do this? A raised to 6. A raised to 6. I can write a, 1 minute. This I can write a cube whole square. A raised to m raised to n is a raised to mn. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 7a cube minus 8. Now I have to use the substitution. Put x is equal to a cube. I will take my a cube as x. So that will become a quadratic equation, yes or no? So when you put a cube as x, that becomes x square minus 7x minus 8, which is a quadratic equation. Find two numbers whose sum is minus 7, and product is minus 8. So what are two numbers whose sum is minus 7, product is minus 8? Minus 8 and plus 1. When you will add, you will get minus 7. When you will multiply, you will get minus 8. So this I will write x square minus 8x plus x minus 8. So middle term we have split. Minus 7x I have written minus 8x plus x. So x is common. So x minus 8 plus 1 into x minus 8. X minus 8 is common. X minus 8 is common. So that I can write x minus 8 into x plus 1. put the value of x. Put the value of x. Put the value of x. So put x is equal to aq. You will get aq minus 8 into aq plus 1. Now again, one is difference of 2 cube, other is sum of 2 cube. Yes or no? aq minus 8 you have to simplify. aq minus 8 you have to simplify, my dear. aq minus 8, I can write aq minus 2 cube. Then aq plus 1 I can write aq plus 1 cube. Are you getting? Use the formula aq minus b cube. That will be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That is 2 square, 4. Into a cube plus b cube. That will be a plus 1, a plus b into a square minus a plus b square, 1. Okay. A cube minus 2 cube and a cube plus 1 cube, you have to again simplify. What the answer? Yes, have you understood this? Yes. Now this further quadratic equation will not be solved. So now we stop there. That is our final answer. Now next part, 13 aq minus 27 bq. aq minus 27 bq. aq minus 27 bq plus 2a square b minus 6ab square. So aq minus 27 bq, I will write aq minus 3b whole cube plus what is common in them? 2ab is common. 2ab is common. Then it is a minus 3b. It is 6. So you want 3. Now use the formula aq minus bq. That will be a minus 3b into a square plus 3ab plus 3b square, that is 9b square, plus 2ab into a minus 3b. Now what is a minus 3b is common. Okay. So a minus 3b I will take common. A minus 3b I will take common. A minus 3b will take common. A minus 3b we take common. So a minus 3b, then what is left? A square plus 3ab plus 9b square plus 2ab. 3ab and 2ab you can add. So that is a minus 3b into a square plus 3ab plus 2ab, 5ab plus 9b square, and this is the answer. Then 14, 15, let me give few problem. Okay, homework. 14, 8a cube minus b cube. Minus 4ax plus 2bx. Same way, 2bx, homework. Then 15, a minus b minus a cube plus b cube. Same way, you will take minus common, then it will be a cube minus b cube. Homework. Then 16, 2x cube plus 54y cube, 2x cube plus 54y cube minus 4x minus 12y, minus 4x minus 12y. Yes, what you will do? Yes, first you will take 2 common. Are you getting? You will take 2 common. Then what is left? X cube plus 27y cube. Then 4 is common. 4 is common. Then x, 4 is common. Then what is left? X plus 3y. X plus 3y. And that you expand a cube plus b cube. So further part homework. Okay. 16. Now further calculation 27y cube we will write 3y whole cube. 27y cube we will write 3y whole cube. 3y whole cube. Then 17 x cube, sorry, 1029 minus 3x cube, minus 3x cube. Yes, what is common in them? Tell me. 3 is common, no? So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 343 minus x cube. So this you can write 7 cube minus x cube. Then further calculation homework. Okay, a cube minus b cube formula. A cube minus b cube formula. So calculation part you do. Then 18 show that 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. So that 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. So that 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. So that 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. See what students they do in the examination, which is wrong. They find 13 cube, they find 5 cube, they simplify and then they show that it is divisible by 8. It is wrong. You have learned the expansion. Yes. Don't find 13 cube and 5 cube and simplify and show that it is divisible by 8. No, don't do like that. So now we see, we consider 13 cube minus 5 cube. Consider 13 cube minus 5 cube. What is a cube minus b cube formula? A minus b into 13 square, 13 square plus 13 into 5 plus 5 square. Okay. So 13 cube minus 5 cube, 13 cube minus 5 cube is 8 into 13 square. 8 into 13 square plus 65 plus 25. Okay. So whenever see here, if I can write 12 as 4 into 3, that means 4 and 3 are factors. 4 and 3 are factors of 12, and the given number is divisible by the factors. You can divide the given number by its factor. So if 12 can be written as 4 into 3, that means 12 is divisible by 4, 12 is divisible by 3. So 13 cube minus 5 cube is written as 8 into this. So 8 is a factor of this. So you will write 8 is a factor of, that part we don't simplify. 8 is a factor of 13 cube minus 5 cube. That's all. So if 8 is a factor of 13 cube minus 5 cube, that means 13 cube minus 5 cube is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. So you have to show that basically 8 is a factor of 13 cube minus 5 cube. That's all. Then second part, 35 cube plus 27 cube. 35 cube plus 27 cube is divisible by, yes, you can frame the question. is divisible by, is divisible by, yes, 62 is divisible by 62, yes or no? 35 plus 20, 35 plus 27 cube. In the same way you will do this. You will consider 35 plus 27 cube, a cube plus b cube formula you apply, a cube plus b cube formula you apply. So consider, let me write solution of this. Consider 35 cube plus 27 cube. Consider 35 cube plus 27 cube. Use the formula a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b, 35 plus 27 into 35 square plus 35, minus 35 into 27 plus 27 square. Okay, so this is 62, 62 into 35 square minus 35 into 27 plus 27 square. Okay, so that means 62 is the factor of this. 62 is the factor of 35 cube plus 27 cube. So whenever it is the factor means this number is divisible by 62. Therefore 35 cube 20. You cannot directly write. No, you have to show that first it is a factor. First you have to show that it is a factor by using the formula a cube minus b cube or a cube plus b cube. So first you have to show that it is a factor. If it is a factor, if the given number is a factor, then the given number will be divisible by that factor. Okay. So without showing in the examination, student find cube, they will find 35 cube, they will find 27 cube, then they will show that it is divisible by 62. That is wrong method. You just show that it is a No, my dear, this should be written. If this number is written as 62 into this, what do you mean by that? You have to write the conclusion first. Since it is the product of these two numbers, means 62 is the factor of this number. So if 62 is the factor means, without writing, so basically our aim is to show that 62 is the factor. We want to show that the number is divisible by 62. So first we show that 62 is a factor. Okay, so now 19th, evaluate 5.67 into 5.67, 5.67 into 5.67 into 5.67 plus 4.33 into 4.33, 4.33 into 4.33, 33 into 4.33 divided by 5.67, 5.67 into 5.67 minus 5.67 into 4.33 plus 4.33 into 4.33. So let A is equal to 5.67 and B is equal to 4.33. We will see. So this becomes A into A into A plus B into B into B upon A into A minus A into B plus B into B. Identify the type. A into A 3 times A cube minus B cube upon A square minus AB plus B square. Now what is the yes, it is plus. Yes, plus sign is there. So what is the formula for A cube plus B cube? That is A plus B into A square AB plus B square, and the denominator you have A square minus AB plus B square. Now numerator A square minus AB plus B square get cancelled with the denominator. What is left? A plus B is left. What is left? A plus B is left. Yes, so left is A plus B. Left is A plus B. Okay, so left part is, so that is equal to A plus B. That is equal to A plus B. What is the value of A? 5.67 plus B 4.33. So 7 plus 3 10, 6 plus 3 9 10, 5 plus 4 9 plus 1 10. 10.000 means 10. The answer is 10. Okay. The answer is 10. The answer is 10. Now you solve one factorization problem which I am giving one question in the surprise test. Write on this surprise test. 5 minutes are there, you can factorize. Now first, surprise question, factorize A minus B minus 4A square plus 4B square. Then second, do it fast. Then nine x square plus 3x minus 8y minus 64y square. Do it, both the problems. So solve two problems. 3 minutes are there. In 3 minutes you can solve two problems. Get the answer. A minus B, then how you have done, my dear? Okay. A minus B common, then so answer is A minus B into 1 minus 4 bracket A plus B. Okay, so that will be, answer will be A minus B into 1 minus 4A minus 4B. Yes, so answer for this is A minus B. A minus B 1 minus 4A minus 4B is the answer. Go for next. Second one. In this, you will take 3x common. Yes. This 9x square and 64y square you will take together. 3x and 8y you will write together. Okay, very good. Do it fast. Get the answer. 1 minute is left. हाँ 3x minus 8y into 3x 3x plus 8y plus 1. Okay, 3x, it will be 3x minus 8y you will take common. So this will be 3x, this will be 3x plus 8y into 3x minus 8y. So 3x minus 8y common, so 3x minus 8y into 1. 1 plus 3x plus 8y. Yes? Okay. Very good. So 3x minus 8y common, then it is 1 plus 3x plus 8y. Yes, this is the answer you all of you got. Okay. So this complete our exercise 5D. We are having one more period, that is 6th period. We will do exercise 5 in that. Okay. So now we stop here. Bye everybody, bye. Yes.